Yeah, the public transportation here is pretty good. And also, the Danes, they are very much on time. And so is the public transport most of the time. Most of the time you can rely on the buses, the trains and the metro and everything. The metro is driverless, so it runs all the time, even in the middle of the night and so on, because there's no one driving it, it just goes automatically.
What?
Yes.
What?
The metro is very new. The oldest part of the metro is 20 years old, and the youngest part opened just a couple of years ago in 2019. So,
oh my goodness.
Yeah, so the metro is very, very new, and that's also why they've made it so it's driverless.
Wow.
So the metro runs all the time. The buses run pretty well. There's a lot of them that also runs in the middle of the night. And then there's the trains connecting, like if you need to go a little bit further as well.
Yeah.
There's a lot of canals in Copenhagen, so we also have the harbor buses. And basically, if you get a ticket for either of these public transportation, it works for all four of them. Metro, bus, trains, the harbor boat as well. So most people, they use an app to buy their tickets for public transportation. Yeah. You can still buy a physical ticket at the metro station and from the bus driver, but most people, they use an app, and the locals, they have their Reisekort, which is basically a little card where you tap in and out, sort of like the Oyster card in London. But in London, how you have to tap to actually get in there, and you can't get in without tapping it. Yeah. Well, here it's more of a trust system. We trust that you actually tap it in and pay for your ride, and that you tap out again when you go out.
Wow.
But you can get in and out without doing it. Yeah.
Ooh, local tip.
The Danish people are very trusting. Yeah. The Danish people, they really trust that everyone does the right thing. So rather than having the distrust from the start, we begin with trusting you until you prove us wrong.